I'm a lecturer in marine conservation at University of Plymouth, but I'm actually a plankton ecologist, and I help policymakers and people that work in the government work with scientists to use scientific information to make decisions about how we manage the marine environment. I've loved the ocean my whole life since I was a little kid. My parents used to take me to big aquariums and also to the shore when I was a kid. And I just fell in love with the ocean, and I love that when you look out, it's kind of just blue. But as soon as you're underwater, it's a completely different world. And I knew I wanted to do something to understand that world and to make sure that world would be there for future generations to enjoy and learn more about. I was invited to Tokyo 3 years ago to meet the Emperor of Japan and give a talk about my work in marine plankton and marine conservation to a big special symposium in Tokyo. So it was a really cool opportunity, and I don't think many people get to do that. But it does take me all over the world. I'm about to go to Malaysia in a few weeks. I went to South Africa last month, and it's all because of this marine biology kind of interest and connection and the chance to work with other marine biologists in lots of different countries. I have lots of different kinds of days, so I might be lecturing, or I might be with my students out at the rocky shore or on a boat, or even we take them to the Bahamas to learn about the tropical marine environment. Or I might be in Parliament helping get the science that my colleagues are all doing communicated to people that can use that science to really make changes in how we manage the marine environment. There's lots of ways that you can be involved in the ocean, and science is really diverse. And I would suggest to find a mentor, find somebody that's doing something that you're interested in, and try to connect with them. So I mean, if you don't know anybody personally, but you see somebody on the internet, email us, and they'll probably want to talk to you and help you out, because we really do want to give people the opportunities that we've had in marine science.